Hi guys, meron lang akong gustong i-emphasize sa video na to regarding Mining's Live. Ayan. So I just want to emphasize that 3% lang yung makukuha mong maximum amount of TRX no every day. Ayan, depende siya sa magkanong TRX yung dineposit mo. So in my case, 200 TRX yung dineposit ko, 'di ba? That's why 6 TRX yung na-withdraw ko last time. Ayan, so kung gusto mo namang malaki yung amount of TRX na ma-withdraw mo, pwede mo namang dagdagan yung amount of TRX na dineposit mo. Pero again guys, please invest only the amount of money that you are willing to risk. Alright? Please lang talaga. At ayun, kung gusto mo magdagdag, ganito lang naman guys, paano magdagdag ng TRX. Ayan, click mo lang deposit, tapos copy mo yung wallet address mo. Punta ka sa Binance, tapos TRX, click mo yung withdrawal. Paste. Max. So, 100 TRX yung i-deposit ko this time, no? So, nasa around 90 TRX na yung magiging daily limit of TRX ko. So, ganun lang kung gusto mo lang naman magdagdag. Okay? Pero kung wala, please lang, wag na wag. Okay? So, balik tayo sa Mining's Live. Tapos, click natin withdraw. So, ayan guys, 9 na yung aking daily limit. Yan, that is for basic account ha. Pero meron din tayong promotion account. So, itong promotion account, dito natin makikita yung earnings natin coming from the referrals. Okay, so try natin mag-withdraw guys. Ito siya unlimited to ha. Wala siyang limit. So, withdraw natin itong 284 TRX. So, ayan, successful. Check natin sa ating Binance kung talagang successful siya. So, ayun guys, ando na ngayong ating TRX na 284. Lumabas na siya. So, nakaka-withdraw naman talaga guys. If you have concerns regarding this, may Telegram naman sila. And, yun lang. Gusto ko lang yan ma-share sa mga nagtatanong din sa akin. Again guys, please risk only the amount of money that you are willing to lose. Okay? Ganun lang talaga. Please lang. And yeah, salamat sa panonood. Sana nakatulong. Bye!